I lied. The last Canva mockup tutorial you will ever need for print on demand was the one you watched before this. But stick with me, and I'll show you how to turn your designs into mockup images and even mockup videos in just a few clicks in less than 30 seconds. Here is our preview and editor. You can just drag your design image and drop it right in. Reposition, scale, and rotate with the help of the alignment guides. Then click Generate Mockup when you're ready. Generation takes 5 to 10 seconds, and our tool handles curved surfaces, shadows, opacity, and more automatically. The result is a stunning high-resolution 4K mockup image. For videos, just click the Generate Video button and wait a few minutes. The result is a dynamic mockup video that showcases your product from different angles and perspectives. Ditch those Canva mockup tutorials forever with PodMocks. We have a rapidly growing library of stunning mockup templates perfect for sellers on the Printify, Printful, and other print-on-demand platforms.